This multi-material saw is one of the most versatile tools in the ONE+ range. Whether you're making long, straight cuts in sheet wood, cutting plastic without causing scorch marks, cutting aluminium angles to cover furniture edges, or even trimming a tile to fit on your bathroom wall, this compact saw is the perfect problem solver for your DIY needs. The tool comes with two 85mm blades. A multi-purpose blade which cuts through wood up to 26mm, metal up to 2mm, as well as cutting plastic and drywall without the need to change blades. As well as a diamond tile blade to cut up to 9mm thick tiles. It also comes with a metal guide fence to help with straight cuts. You can safely make accurate plunge cuts thanks to the innovative plunge mechanism. Simply adjust and set the required depth using this screw and press down on the auxiliary handle to plunge to full depth. These handy markings on the side indicate depth and location of the blade underneath the workpiece, eliminating the guesswork. The guard also includes multiple low-friction ribs. This is designed for the saw to work while sliding along a surface, perfect for flooring installations. With this dust port, you can connect to a vacuum cleaner to leave a dust-free working environment. With one 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can cut up to 57 meters in 13mm plywood. This ONE+ multi-material saw is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries or chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of great tools for your home and garden, this saw will work with any ONE+ battery.